Hi everyone, today we're in Minerve, one of the most beautiful villages in southern France. It's perched on a cliff between two gorges, packed with medieval history, and honestly, the views are incredible. Let's go check it out. So we're visiting this time with our granddaughter Mia, and there's lots to do with children. So back to Minerve.
Again.
Seeing what Minerve is like, third time, yeah, seeing what it's like now in the height of summer. Minerve sits above the Cesset Gorge. There are some stunning views. We parked at the top of the village. It's paid parking for either cars or camper vans. So we're back in the village of Minerve that's perched over the Cesset Gorge. We were here in the winter and it was very, very quiet, and we wanted to see what it was like in the summer, in August.
It's not that busy, is it?
No. Behind me is La Candela, the only tower left from Minerve's old castle. Back in the Middle Ages, this was part of a huge fortress that protected the village during the Cathar Crusades. So none of these things were opened last when we came in December. So it'll be interesting to see what's open today. January when we're here, yeah. We're now at the Malvoisin Ramparts, the old walls of Minerve. Today it's the perfect place for a walk with stunning views over the gorges. That's lavender, isn't it?
Pardon?
Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that smells gorgeous. I wish I could tell you or show you the smell of that rosemary bush is, heaven.
Little thing here, almost like a hummingbee, this moth. It's got a long, what you call proboscis, and you can see it sticking. Can you see?
Yeah, oh yeah. Mia loves to follow these footpath signs. So now we are heading down to the gorge. Children will love the natural rock tunnels carved by the river. And don't miss the replica catapult. You can see it just above on the horizon, and that's where we're off to explore. In 1210, during the Albigensian Crusade, Crusaders besieged the town using a massive trebuchet. But instead of targeting walls, they aimed for the town's well, cutting off the water supply and forcing surrender. It was one of the first real-world power moves of medieval siege warfare. And here is the replica trebuchet, as you can see, standing high on the other side of the gorge from Minerve. Mia loved exploring, climbing up the gorges, walking across the bridges, but make sure you've got some good footwear because it is a little bit slippery. We then walk back into the town. Look, there's another yellow sign. Once back in the town, there are artisan shops, galleries, small boutiques for jewellery, ceramics, souvenirs, cafes and restaurants with views over the gorge or rooftops. It's worth checking out this Michelin restaurant with stunning views over the gorge. There are local wine. Minerva wines are a thing. Reds, rosés, whites, and it's a good region for wine tasting. But as you can see, even in the height of summer, it was still very quiet, no crowds, easy to walk around and easy to get a table in a restaurant. Crepe, so you could have a crepe there. Bet you'd like that. It's cute. The Remembrance statue in Minerve is known as the Stele de Minerve, a stone monument erected in 1982 that features a dove carved into its centre, symbolising the Cathar victims burned at the stake there during the 1210 Albigensian Crusade. So I hope you can see that Minerve is more than just beautiful. It's a place where history, legend and nature meets. And only 50 minutes from Carcassonne. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. It really helps.